It is Saturday morning, January 25th, 2020, about 10 till 10 in the morning, 43 degrees, Athens, Georgia. We're going to drive right straight through downtown Athens on Highway 78. We're starting right inside of the loop. I don't know if Athens has an official city limits anymore or not since they merged with Clark County. I'll point out things of interest that I know of, but I'm sure I'll miss all sorts of things. I'm not an Athens native. Here on the corner is Poor Boys, or Mama's Boy, I'm sorry. Mama's Boy restaurant. It's supposed to be very good. I've never eaten there, but I have seen lines waiting outside, I think just about every time I come by here. And there is now a second location in Watkinsville, in the shopping center where Redneck Beach is. Coming up on the Oconee River, Oconee Greenway, there's a path that runs along the river. I don't know how long it is, 10 miles, or more, less. Someone who knows will have to fill in that. Church tower. Glad that was saved. We turn and bear to the right. UGA will be here on the left pretty quick once we go through the red light. Of course, UGA is all over Athens. Now, up here on the right used to be Gallant Belk, I think, in that largest building. In Atlanta, I'm pretty sure it was known as Belk Gallant, and in Athens it was Gallant Belk. I'm going to try to stop in front of the arches and see if I can get a still photo, but I don't know if that's going to be possible or not. I don't think so. I said the second varsity location in Athens was right up here on the next corner, I think. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to stop and get a picture of the arches. I think the varsity was in that corner buildings, but some of my longtime Athens friends and family will know. It may have been right here where this red awning is, but I've eaten there, but it was years ago, of course, before they closed. I don't know where the bus station is now, but it used to be right down here on the corner, a little small building from my recollection. Right there, where that little green building right there. That used to be the bus station in Athens. What is it now? Couldn't quite make it out. Now down here on the right there is Smokehouse. It's a barbecue place, and they're the only place I have found that has chicken hash. I had a sample of it one day, and it wasn't the same as I remember when I was a kid, but it's the only place I've ever found chicken hash on the menu. I would like to have a recipe for chicken hash. I love that stuff. We used to get it at Antioch Christian Church at homecoming. They'd have Brunswick stew, barbecue, goat, chicken hash. Yeah, right here on the right, Smokehouse Barbecue. I'll have to find out what time they open today. I may have to come back here and see about some chicken hash. I've had people tell me that I was wrong and there's no such thing as chicken hash, but I know good and well there is. Okay, we're coming up on Millage. South Millage to the right will take you over to, that's North Millage. North Millage will take you over to Prince. South Millage to the left will take you out to the State Botanical Gardens and Whitehall Road. So we just passed the Varsity on the right. Again, we're on 78, US Highway 78, coming right through Athens. There's a place up here that I bet has some good food. I think they're open. I think they're still open. I don't know. I've never eaten here, but I bet if they're open, it's going to be some good food. I think its name is Soul Food. I was thinking it was back there a ways, though, so we may have already passed it, and it may not be here anymore. I don't know. Athens Orthopedic on the right, Steak and Shake on the left. Steak and Shake may be out, gone. St. Mary's Hospital on the left, Longhorn Steakhouse on the right. This intersection up here, there used to be an A&P in this shopping center. Alps Plaza. I guess it's Alps Plaza. But the A&P closed back in the 70s. And you can still see the building there on the left. You can spot those old A&Ps from the roof line. Now, this is Hawthorne to the right, Alps to the left. This Arby's here on the right is the oldest one I know of. I know this one was here in 1969. Pretty much just like it was then. A little bit of remodeling. Yeah, we came past the Hilltop Grill, Blind Pig. Maybe the Hilltop may be back there, I'm not sure. Never been in either one of them. The Hilltop Grill is supposed to be very good. Crossing the middle Oconee River. And I think that will wrap it up for the Athens video. That's Bridge Parkway to the left, Monroe,